Something that most YouTubers won't show you or tell you about, and I guess I'm kind of including myself in this just because of the way that I've gone about this, but you need to maintain your car, and that's something that like people on YouTube, including myself, I mean, yesterday I took the day and I did like an oil change. I took all the brakes apart, I lubed all the brakes, like I got everything taken care of yesterday, and like I really did a good job of trying to do your maintenance services that the, you know, the dealership would do for you if you brought it in, but I just don't bring it in, I do it myself. You can see some fresh lube up in the brakes. The whole car got a wash. Like I had the wheels off and I literally scrubbed the coilovers, like make sure nothing corrodes in there. Like the entire car was washed underneath, on top. I did an oil change, I cleaned the whole engine bay. But at the end of the day, that's not a super exciting video for you guys. So, I mean, I didn't make it a video because how many people are gonna wanna watch me change the oil in my car and like lube the brakes? Like unless you guys do, in which case just let me know. But I feel like that's not something that most people would be interested in just watching as a video. So today what I'm actually trying to do is I'm trying to practice, and you may be like, what do you mean practice? You guys always say like, hey, you know, we want daily videos, or we want this, or we want that, and I've always watched people on YouTube, and what they seem to be able to do is take a day where they're doing seemingly not much and turn it into something entertaining and content for you guys. So today I'm not doing much, and I mean, I wasn't gonna film today, I was just gonna take today off, but I'm gonna make it a video, see what you guys think, and if you guys enjoy it, then at least I know I'm gonna be on the right path for doing like more daily at least I know I'm gonna be on the right path if you guys like it for more daily uploads. And once I go like super full-time, like if I'm not doing anything super exciting, at least I know I can still film what I'm doing and you guys will enjoy it. So I'm sorry I'm so dark right now, but that's what we're doing. So I don't know how this video is gonna turn out, don't know what it's gonna include. I'm just gonna try my best to make my normal day into content for you guys. So I'm hoping for the best. This looks like the place. This is so strange to me because you know how many times I've seen like Birdie pull up and hop out of his car and just like walk right into Derpy's backyard. And I'm doing the exact same thing. Like when I'm editing this is gonna be so strange for me to see because it's like I've watched this so many times and now it's me. It's just a good photo. And what is this? Just like Derpy graveyard?
Mostly for the MR2.
Nice. This is the lab.
The first test panel we ever did was these headlights, and they turned out really, really good for our homemade paint job. Right, that actually was like pretty decent.
Oh yeah, that does look pretty good.
Yeah, so you
for like a DIY paint job.
Yeah, like something you can work with, right? For some reason when I sprayed it, probably like I messed up the pressures or something, but like it turned out like this.
Oh yeah, it came out too thick. Almost is what it looks like.
Yeah, it came out way too thick, so then I resprayed it again, a thinner tipped gun and a higher pressure, and it came out slightly better.
This looks pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, it was just spray, so that's why there's like a pile of crap in it. I think we're good, so I just gotta sand everything back down again.
Try one more time.
Yeah, one more time, yeah.
I'm excited to see this thing when it's not, you know.
In pieces?
Yeah, when it's not together.
Yeah, in every video it's been in, it's just been known as this thing that just sits here.
Yeah, everybody just knows it as like this lump of parts in your garage. It's making progress. That's what matters. That is huge. What is this? Where'd you even get this?
So this is a Battle Arrow prototype.
Really?
Yeah, so when we went down to LA, we visited their shop.
Yeah?
Because it's one of my sponsors, right? They have this one as a prototype because they didn't release it, but it's like got the one-piece end plates.
Yeah, instead of the bolt-on ones like most of the Battle Arrow kits do.
Yeah, they actually don't even have like stands for it. They gave me like some prototype stands. And then I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna pick the stands there. I'm gonna make it work with this thing.
Pretty cool. It's huge compared to this, like the car. I thought the Battle Arrow ones that you were already rocking is big, but this thing is just massive.
I think it's like a 1900 or 1800.
That's huge. It'll look sick on the back though.
Sexy style.
Yeah.
This actually, I picked this up like 5 years ago in Japan.
Really?
Yeah. Like I had to custom order these, right?
They're like a legit name brand?
Yeah. Like legit, the name is called Sexy Style.
Wow.
If you search up Sexy Style MR2.
Oh, and they're actually nice fiberglass too.
Yeah.
And they're marked for the sides. Yeah. See, we just get like the cheapest Wish that you can. But that'll actually fit way better and look good.
Work in progress. It's been a few years. Soon, hopefully, with the help of you or everybody else, get this thing all painted up.
Yeah, get it going. So a lot of you guys are familiar with this MR2 because it's in the back of Birdie's videos, and it's in the back of just a lot of people that end up in Derpy's garage and stuff. And you see the MR2, it's always been just like shunned to the side in the corner, like work in progress. And he said he's had it in here for like 4 years, and then it's been kind of pulled away from the wall for like 8 or so months. And he's trying to bring it back to life. He's trying to like actually be driving it again and whatever. He's working hard, and I'm gonna try and help him out, and everybody else that is wanting to see this car back on the road is gonna try and help him out and get it back on the road. He has a YouTube channel right now. Derpy has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna let him tell you about it because he's gonna start uploading some more stuff, and he's gonna start kind of venturing into YouTube a little bit more, and then you guys can see this car once it's done, and like once it's actually a little bit better than just the way it sits right now. You guys can see the progress this is making on channels like mine, and maybe even his if he wants to include progress. But then once it becomes something, you guys can check it out there. So do you want to just explain to them like what you're doing and everything?
Yeah, so this is like my first car. For those of you who don't know, I'm not just that FRS. So this is actually the car that I bought when I was 16. I've had it for a long time. It's been with me through Toronto and back. So actually, yeah, it's actually right next to you. Yes, I really love it. There's a lot of family history with it, and I've not been treating it well for the past few years just because the FRS thing has taken off, and I've been focusing more on that. But the engine's over there. We're trying to get the bodies all straightened out, and hopefully you'll see more of that going on the side video. But what I'm really excited to bring you guys is something different, and it's not just my FRS, it's not just this MR2, it's a group project we have, and I'll reveal it on the video in my channel.
Yep.
But it's a group project. It's not like a normal car. It's not something you would normally see, and we're hoping that it's really cool with something different. We're doing it kind of like a budget build too, and just trying to show you that you can have fun doing a job with friends to modify a car and really just enjoy the process of modding, not just for the sake of looking cool.
It's like to show you that it doesn't really matter what the car is or what you choose to do with it, but you can have fun no matter what. And I think that's what they're really going to get across with this car, is that you can have fun no matter what car, whether you're given a car or do whatever, like as a hand-me-down, like whatever situation you get thrown into, you can make the best of it, and that's like super kind of what they're going to be showing. Yeah, we sanded both back quarter panels right up on the T-roofs and everything already. I didn't show you guys much of that because sanding's boring, and for anybody that's been around my channel for a while, you've seen enough sanding in your life. So now we're gonna try and wet sand it. Oh shit, I forgot a spot right here. Oh, no. I gotta finish right here. I don't know what happened. I don't know why I stopped. I'm just gonna start with a new piece. We made pretty good progress. We got it down to like 800. Super soft. Everything feels nice and like a baby. But I gotta go, so we're gonna leave Derpy here to slave over the rest by himself.
Don't worry, I got other reinforcements coming.
Got the backup crew coming in. Dump all my goodies in the trunk. Or the ground. So that's the way life goes.
Yep. Thank you.
See you later.
See you later.
Nice to see you again. Are you serious? Nobody filled up my car while it was on the side of the road for the last couple hours? Guys, I'm sorry. I am trying to get home, but it's just not working. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm definitely gonna get in trouble because I was supposed to leave Derpy's a lot sooner than I did. We're going camping tonight, and it's kind of a very time-crucial camping trip, and I'm a lot late. We were supposed to be leaving at like 4, and it's like 3:52, and I'm not even close to home. So definitely gonna get super yelled at when we get home. I'm calling it right now. Here it is. Why do you gotta fix this right now when we try to leave, boy? Did you go pick up new straps right now? Yep. Oh my god. They're even the proof. Blown fuses, broken tailgate straps. Anything else we need to address before we leave? Is it gonna make it? Maybe. Weekend's plan is not really a plan. So we're gonna go camping, but basically we decided to go camping very last minute and nowhere was open for reservations. So we didn't reserve anything. So pretty much what we're doing is we're driving all the way north, we're driving to Whistler and trying to get the campsite that we want. And then if we don't get the one we want, we're gonna turn around and come back and hit every other campsite on the way back until we find an opening, because that's what happens when you go camping last minute. So everybody's rushing around, truck's broken. I still gotta go drop this off, mail somebody their key tag. Now, let's hit the road.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. show 'em live the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I just don't want to slide into it.
No, I know. I thought you were sliding. Okay, what the hell's he doing? Parking right there? Why is he parking right there? He might be telling us to go right into that trail there. I'm not too sure.
guys seeing okay?
Yep. Oh, they are probably, aren't.
I was like, we're
Come on.
behind. We're not even out of the car, and you guys are gone.
Yeah. Okay, back it up in 4 low and then just swing it right in here. I'll keep on the watch for that rock and these rocks and everything. We got the sickest hookup. I'm not sure if the camera battery's gonna last till tomorrow. My plan was to end this video tonight and just say, you know what, like we made it, whatever, but you're good. Hard right. No, whoa. You're drifting down the hill. I tried to film you guys an outro last night, but I felt like it was very unsatisfactory for you guys to see because it was super dark and you couldn't see anything. So I'm gonna give you a quick little glimpse of where we're staying, where we ended up, and then I'm gonna end this video. I know you guys probably, a lot of you guys say you wanna see this and stuff, but there's no electricity here. I don't have enough camera batteries or equipment for this kind of stuff. If this is something that you're seriously interested in, I can prep better for next time, but as of this trip, there will be no more filming. But this is where we gotta park for our site. So this is like a campground that's full of just normal sites, and it's got like, you drive in, you park, you take out your tent and whatever, and that's where you camp. But we got like this off in the bush, like private site. So have the truck there. We have a little trail to our site. And then we have just like a little picnic table hangout. We got Emerson's friggin' Fisher Price tent. And then just like a nice little fire pit hangout, our tent. And then on the other side of this is literally a cliff. So there's like no animals or no anything coming up here to bother us. I'm gonna go up there and show you what Emerson sees. Give me a second. Oh, I dropped the camera. The view from up on our little rock, our campsite's like right down in there. You can see Emerson's little tent. It's a pretty cool setup. We got super lucky. We got super lucky that this place wasn't booked. Battery for the camera's almost dead. I'm gonna go. We're gonna have a great weekend. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.